ನಮ್ಮ ಸುಪುತ್ರನಾದ ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಮೂರ್ತಿಯ ಸಂಗೀತ ಕಚೇರಿಗೆ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆದರದ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. A very warm welcome to all of you this afternoon to our son's Aditya Murthy Sangeeta Kacheri. And at this time, I appreciate the fact that it's a long weekend and all of you have taken the time to come over here and have prioritized this event and be present here. We are grateful for that. I would like to begin with an introduction of the school. Before that, I would like to request the artists to occupy the stage while I read about the Pranavam School of Music, under whose banner we are doing this program. Pranavam School of Music is devoted to teaching and imparting Carnatic classical music to all true aspirants. The school offers classes in Carnatic vocal music. Through music, the school bequeaths the rich and varied cultural heritage of India to students, since classical music forms an eternal part of the Indian culture. The school also strives to distribute the immense and vast musical wealth left for us by our forefathers and respected gurus. The music school has been operational in Dallas for the past 6 years, and in those 6 years, its name has come to command a great respect with regards to quality of music, performance opportunities for students, method and discipline in teaching, and many other aspects. Recently, Pranava Nadam, a textbook in accordance with the curriculum of the school, was published and released. The school is approaching and looking forward to the 7th anniversary celebrations in August of this year, with thematic annual recitals in large auditoriums, participation in almost all of the local classical music events, and its students winning prizes in almost all classical music competitions conducted locally. Pranavam School of Music has become one of the most sought-after institutions for Carnatic music in Dallas. It's headquartered in Allen, functioning from its own studio, and has recently achieved the landmark of having a second studio of its own at Frisco. Students are taken in or promoted through various levels, and classes are also offered and in group sessions or smaller group as well as one-on-one, and also through Skype in certain cases. The website for more information is pranavammusic.com. Now, Srimati Shanti Mahadevan, she is the founder of Pranavam School of Music. She is one of the senior disciples of two illustrious gurus, Srimati Bhanumati Raghuraman, disciple and daughter of Sangeeta Kalanidhi, Professor Dr. S. Ramanathan, and Sangeeta Kalanipuna, Shri N.R. Prashant. Shanti has studied Carnatic music since the age of 6 and continues to be guided by Shri Prashant. She is a high-graded artist of the All India Radio. She is a regular performer at the Chennai Music Festival since 2000, having performed for sabhas like Karthik Fine Arts, Kapali Fine Arts, etc. to very good reviews. She has given concerts in other Indian cities like Bengaluru, Hyderabad, and Kochi, as also in other countries like Malaysia, Singapore, United Kingdom, and the United States. She has also many albums to her credit. With more than 20 years of teaching experience, she is a much sought-after teacher of music in the DFW Metroplex and the founder of the Pranavam School of Music. Above all, Shanti is an avid rasika of Carnatic music and has unending passion for it. She has been on the working and executive committees of the Indian Fine Arts Association for the past 6 years. Academically, she holds 2 master's degrees, one each in marine science and bioacoustics from the Loughborough University of Technology in UK. She has served as member of the teaching faculty at Mount Carmel College in Bengaluru. She has also served at the Republic Polytechnic and the National University of Singapore as a senior member of faculty in the Department of Biological Sciences. Srimati Shanti Mahadevan, our guru.
Now I'd like to introduce the accompanying artists. First, on violin, Papanasam K. Gokul. He hails from a musical family Being the great-grandson of legendary music composer Sri Papanasam Sivan, he is the son of Papanasam R. Kumar, who is a Mridangam Vidwan in AIR Chennai and an excellent senior artist in his own right. Gokul started learning violin under the able guidance of Sri Alantur Natraj Iyer at a tender age of 5. He is also a trained singer, having learned vocal under Sri Trichy S. Ganeshan, Madurai, and presently he is under the tutelage of violin maestro Kalaimamani Srimati T. Rukmini. He has bagged many awards and prizes from reputed organizations all over India to his credit. He is an A-grade artist in the All India Radio Chennai. He has received the first prize at the national music competition held by All India Radio in the year 2003. Besides being a regular performer at the Chennai AIR station, he was bestowed the title Young Growing Artist in the year 2000, title from Bharati Yuva Kendra, Madurai. He is also the recipient of numerous first prizes in violin competitions held at the Madras Music Academy, VDS Arts Academy, Sadguru, Sangeeta Samajam, to name a few. He has also won the first prize in the prestigious Ragam Tanam Pallavi event conducted by Rasika Ranjani Sabha, Trichy. Gokul has had the privilege of accompanying many top-ranking artists in various sabhas all over India and abroad. He is a regular performer at the December Music Festival series in Chennai at various sabhas, including the Music Academy, Narada Gana Sabha, etc. He has also performed at the Tyagaraja Utsavam in Thiruvayaru. He was selected as the best violinist at the Gokulashtami series in the year 2006, conducted by Sri Krishna Gana Sabha, T. Nagar. In the US, he routinely accompanies stalwarts such as T.N. Sheshagopalan, M.S. Sheila, Shankara Nambudiri, Maharajpuram Srinivasan, etc. Gokul has been a part of many dance productions and ballets. He actively tours across the US for different dance schools, besides being involved in more than 50 Arangetrams. He is also an expert violin solo performer in his own right. He was the only violinist selected by Ayal Isai Nataka Mandaram to perform solo concerts at prestigious sabhas all over Tamil Nadu as a part of their Tamil Isai Sangam. He has also performed in a number of commercial cassettes and CDs. An electrical engineer, he holds a doctoral degree in engineering from Georgia Tech, Atlanta, and is employed in the Bay Area. Please welcome Papanasam Dr. Gokul. Now I'd like to introduce the percussionist Srinivas Ponnappan, who is a very familiar person to the Dallas music rasikas and the music crowd. Srinivas Ponnappan commenced his musical career in Mridangam at the young age of 7 under his guru Vidwan Chandrasekharan. Srinivas later came under the tutelage of Vidwan V. Suresh, who is a direct disciple of Sangeeta Kalayanidhi Sri T.V. Gopalakrishnan, a well-known multi-talented musical legend. Srinivas has now over 2 decades of skillful accompaniment for leading senior vocal instrumental artists and for Arangetrams on Mridangam and a variety of other percussion instruments, including Kanjira and Gadam. Srinivas regularly performs during Chennai music season. Srinivas currently resides in Plano, Texas, and is a computer architect by profession. Please welcome Srinivas Ponnappan.
At this time, I would like to invite our Suputri, Archana Murthy, to the stage. And she is the MC for the afternoon, and she will take it further from here. A very warm welcome to everybody on stage again.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm very honored to be the MC for tonight's program. It was a very elite selection process, I assure you. At this time, I'd like to introduce the vocal artist, Chiranjeevi Aditya Murthy. Aditya Murthy got introduced to the world of Carnatic music at a young age by Srimati Anusha Harihara. He then started learning from Srimati Sita Chandrasekhar, who is a disciple of Sri Chitravina Ravikiran. She took him from the basic lessons to the level of Varnams and Kritis. He has since come under the tutelage of Srimati Shanti Mahadevan, who has taken him further into the realm of Manodharma Sangeeta and concert presentation. Academically, Aditya graduated as the salutatorian of Marcus High School in Flower Mound, Texas. He will be attending the Turing Scholars Computer Science Honors Program at UT Austin this fall. He hopes to pursue his music through his college years. Before we begin this program, I'd like to take this opportunity to remind everyone of a few house rules. The theater staff has kindly requested that there be no food or drinks in the auditorium at any time. Additionally, please refrain from moving around during the program. Should there be a need to do so, kindly do so in between the songs. And lastly, kindly silence your cell phones so that there won't be a disturbance. Thank you. I will now hand the stage over to the artists and let them start the performance.